We've got Bernie PB set up, and let's see how we can get into the calling system. On Bernie PB you can click on any state and it will get you to this state's official state page. And on the state page there's several important bits of information. If you're a first time caller, you can watch the YouTube video about phone banking and read the step-by-step guide. That's going to give you a general impression of what we are trying to achieve with phone banking. You're going to find each state's calling script here, and it's important that you always choose the state-specific ones, because obviously states have different deadlines, for example, or in Pennsylvania you need to bring an ID as first-time voter, and in New York not. Such things are always in the state script. And if you need any phone banking help, you can click on the phone bank live chat, which will always appear after a few seconds down here. And there's going to be volunteers answering your questions directly. Okay, but to get into the system, first you need to get some login credentials, and you're just going to click on login credentials. And this is an important page because you're going to go here a few more times, because you need to get new login credentials every 24 hours. So we're going to bookmark it by clicking on the star, and we're just going to put it in the bookmarks bar here. Select bookmarks bar, and it's going to appear right there. I personally don't want to call it login dialer, I want to call it login credentials. Okay, done. Wonderful. And we're just gonna do this really quickly. It doesn't matter if it's a fake name. You can for the zip code internationals. If you don't have one from the States, I have just chosen one by random which works. Any 5 digits that works are fine. Also, very people often like to use 90210. That's the zip code of Hollywood. It doesn't matter much, so just choose one that works. Don't speak Spanish and create sign up. Okay. So your login credentials are always made up of a buzzword like phones or Bernie and 4 digits. And I always take a pen and write these directly on my hand. But what you can do, which is also handy, is you can click on the Windows symbol, click on the search bar, then type in snipping tool, and click on the snipping tool. And then your cursor becomes a plus, and you just click where you want to start, then hold it down and drag the box over the area which you want to screenshot. And when you're done, you just let the box go. Now we've got a screenshot of this area, so we don't need to memorize phones and the Bernie. So we're going to click on File, Save As, and we're going to name it Login Credentials for today. And we're gonna it's the 25th of April, and we're gonna save it on the desktop. Wonderful, we've got that done. Now we can click on start making calls. No worries, it's not going to start right away, but we're gonna go to the LiveVox login page. Also very convenient if you've got that bookmark, so you don't need to type it in or click every single time. We're gonna call this one LiveVox login, and save it to the bookmarks bar as well. And in the LiveVox login, we type in the 2 login credentials we just got. So we open it and we just put it in here. And service, you just select the state which you want to select. I'm just going to go with Pennsylvania for now. And we're going to click sign in. Oops, typo. Yep. Okay. And so this is what is supposed to happen. It opens the dialer window, the agent panel, to your left. But for you it's probably going to look different, and I'm going to simulate that. Okay. So what it's going to look for you is around about this. Nothing happens, and it tells me pop-up blocked. So that is, yeah, because the default setting is that all pop-ups are blocked. So we need to do something about that. We can do that directly by clicking on the little pop-ups were blocked on this page icon, and we can just select always allow pop-ups from na3.livevox.com. Done. That is one way. If this thing doesn't appear, you can go there manually by selecting the three gray horizontal lines, settings, settings. Then you need to click on the bar, drag it down all the way to the bottom, click on show advanced settings. Then it's the first one that opens is going to be privacy. There you click on content settings. Content settings, same game. You scroll down until you see pop-ups. Okay, and I advise you to choose manage exceptions, not allow all sites to show pop-ups, because then you're going to get all the stuff with how to become a billionaire and singles in your neighborhood. And I've just created that exception up here, but if that doesn't work out, it's going to look like this for you. You just need to type in manually na3.livevox.com and behavior allow, that's fine, and click on done. Okay, so we've got that done, and it doesn't automatically open the pop-up after we've enabled it, so we just need to log in again. Yo. And let's see if we have success. Wonderful. Now we've got the agent panel popping up.